Welcome back to my channel. So this will be another video on using ChatGPT to check whether an email that I received in my inbox is a legitimate one or not. Okay, so yeah, so this is the email that I received now. So I'll copy this email in ChatGPT. So I don't know whether that company which is sending, so that not company but the email sender is legitimate or not. There's no way for me to determine that, right? So what will I do is that I will ask ChatGPT to go through the email and check if there is any red flag in the email that I have received. Okay, go through the below email that I have received and check if there is any red flags in the email. Okay, it says that this email appeared to be legitimate job offer from PNG Subtech Computing Services. Okay, it says that this appears to be a legitimate job offer from this company. I'm not, I haven't heard about this company myself. Uh, However, there are few red flags that should be noted. For example, the email request that you do not forward the email. Okay, which may be warning that the email contains link that could potentially give the sender unauthorized access to your account. Additionally, the email asks for immediate joiners and include a request for registration fee or other payment, which could be a sign that the job offer is a scam. Okay, it's also a good idea to do some research on the company and verify the legitimacy of the job offer before applying. Okay, so if I want this in a list of red flags, okay, so if I want in a bullet point, this is the email requested, you do not forward the email asks for immediate joiner, the email includes a request for registration fee or other payment, the email is from Gmail address. Okay, and I was not able to check, but the email is from a Gmail address rather than a company domain. This one is a very this one is a huge red flag, because company, they usually have a domain name, right? So they will not usually send email from their Gmail address, but I'm not sure about this particular company's policy. Okay, so this one is a huge concern for me. Okay, the email includes a disclaimer. Okay, so apart from this one and this one, yeah, uh, I found it to be legitimate. But if you want to have a quick glance without going through each and every line of the email, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to check if a particular email that you have received is a legitimate one or not. And please subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this, and hit the like button. Thank you.